Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today we have another amazing video of trying to catch them all for you. Also, as you know, we are on the series at this point of what the heck did I buy on the internet? And this time we got a big box. It's kind of light, so maybe that person just really packaged a card, or I got a few cards, not really sure. So if we do have time after I open the mystery box, fulfilling the wait that we will, I have a special announcement. Last video we did 3 Charizard tins. This video we're gonna do 3 Gyarados tins. And then yeah, you guessed it, probably the next video we're gonna do 3 Raichu tins. See it? Anyway, let's get in the video and see what we got and see how we do. All right, so we have our 3 tins, our Gary the Gyaradoses, and we're gonna get into those real quick, maybe, and then I will show you what I got in the mystery eBay package. I don't know if that voice was any good or not, but that's the best I've got. It's the only voice I have. So before we get into code cards and Gyaradoses, let's see what we have in the or I could just make that sound effect. Mystery package, yes. This card is very secure. All right, hopefully, if it's graded, I can turn it over. It doesn't feel graded. Let's pull this booger out of here. Okay. Not matching any of my other ones. All right. Why does everybody send them in these like boo-boo sleeves? All right, so let's take a close-up look. If you guys can see it over there, don't tell me yet. So you can see right there, pretty big damage spot. A little more damage right there, a little whitening at the top, a little whitening on the side, and I'm nervous. I haven't seen it yet. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Hey, it's, oh yeah! It's a first edition Blastoise. Yeah. And actually, oh yeah, there we go. There's all the little micro scratches. I got these just because I just wanted to have them. I mean, if I got a roached out first edition Charizard, this one's not roached out, but it's not great. So if I got a first edition Charizard, I wouldn't care if you de-ice your windshield with it. I just want to put it in the collection. And it'd still probably go for like $1,000 bucks, but that's just crazy. But yeah, especially right now is market. I don't know if you can see those, but they're not terrible, but there's a few little micro scratches on the card. I don't know how bad that makes the card. But other than that, like the card's really nice. You can do right there. Okay, but anyway, so first edition's thick stamp, and of course it's shadowless. And then on the front, all I really see besides the nicks is that major nick right there. And I'm gonna have to look that up because if not, we have a really nice card aside from the 1 bit of damage down here at the bottom. We've got the 3 Gary the Gyaradoses right there. And let's get to cracking some packs. And see how we have done on our Gary the Gyarados packs. All right, so we are gonna go through these. Brock's Pewter Gem, Giovanni's Exile, Koga's Trap, Pikachu, Ekans, Coughing, Paris, Cubone, Staryu, and Snorlax. And if you like videos like this, if you find them relaxing, if you find them just kind of like turn on in the background and kind of watch some pack pulling, by all means, comment that below. Also, like I've said, hit the notification bell. Wow, it is warm in here today. Hit the notification bell, and also, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd very much appreciate having you here on the channel. Reverse holographic Pikachu and a Mr. Mime. Water, Farfetch'd, Graveler, Chansey, Psyduck, Staryu. We got something here. Voltorb, Erica's Hospitality, and a holographic Zapdos. All right, so that's better. It's getting better. I do find it hard to believe, and I know the Charizard is incredibly hard to pull. I get it. I've heard that. I understand my luck is absolutely atrocious. But like, we have been pulling some tens. We've been pulling some packs. It's got to be close. We got to be getting to that. Ooh, we got a Kartana. Kartana, whatever. Looks like Kartana. Hey, we got a tag team again. I like tag teams though. Graveler, Chansey, Brock's Peter Jim, Geodude, Clefairy, Eevee, Ekans, Paris, Cubone, and Lapras. Lightning Energy, Misty's Gym, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Magikarp, Pokemon Scintillating, Clefairy, Eevee, Ekans, Arbok, and Bill's Analysis. Charizard and a Charizard pack. We just got a first edition Blastoise. It is time to get that new edition GX Shiny Charizard that we have all been waiting for. Bam! I predict a Charizard is coming. Cubone, Magikarp, Energy, and Eevee. Holographic. Got this Zap to the Dose. Got Zapdos ready. Let's see how we've done on this one. Charmander starting this pack off right. All right, so 4 to the front. Fire and a Charmander. Voltorb, Coughing, Ekans, Cubone. Whoa! We got a Brooklet Hill. And an Erica's Hospitality. This one is beautiful. Look at this gold card. It's solid gold. Yeah, you see that? Solid gold. Look at that beautiful solid gold card. So let's see how we're gonna do on this one. I think this is our, last Charizard pack. So I just want to let you guys know right now, all the excitement that you see from Leonhardt, Pokemon Randolph, is legit. Charmander, because you pull these packs. You do this stuff for your viewers. You do this stuff just to have fun and, kick back and enjoy yourself. But like, let's be real here. After pulling all those packs, I'm telling you, when I pulled the Charizard on Champion's Path, I was like, I'm a 31-year-old businessman, and I was still all choked up. I was like, this isn't real. My luck isn't this good. Bam! So hopefully there's like 20 more Charizards behind me. If not, I still won't break even. But we're having a lot of fun. Ekans, Jesse, and James. If I had $1 for every Jesse and James, I'd have like $30. We're going with my boy Mew. Man, I tell you, they need to make a really cool collection centered around Mew. Like, do it. Do it. Do one that makes Mew super valuable. Get him the recognition psychic that he deserves. And let's bring Mew to his, Mew to his former glory. We got a Froakie, and we got an Electrode non-holographic. Pretty pleased with that one, but we have had a very rough, rare pulling time. This is rough. So out of 9 tens, 6 tens, still no Charizard, and not very many cool cards, aside from a few. This is our last pack. Charmander, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Magikarp, the cockroach that is the scariest one you'll ever see, Golisopod. It's a pretty cool card though. And a Butterfree. And a Charafree. Butterfree. that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy pulling out first edition Blastoise, like let's get serious here. This is the second place to Cards of Cards. There is no card more valuable than the Charizard first edition Gem Mint 10. And this, if it was a Gem Mint 10, is a $30,000 card. Now, I don't think I have a Gem Mint 10, but I'm not upset with it. I need to look into the little scratches. If that just automatically makes it a 2, is what it is. But if they're pretty lenient on the small little nicks, like it's just little bitty nicks in the holographic, I have something here. But I mean, of course they're gonna take that into account. But does it drop it all the way down to a 2? Or does it give it a 6? Because this card might deserve a 6. And I will take a 6. If you enjoy videos like this, please hit that power up that like button, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell. We are trying to catch as many likes as we possibly can, so we very much appreciate everyone that you're willing to give us. Also, notification bells because of amazing things like this, and we are not done yet. I'm just letting you know. Just letting you know. Also, comment anything you like out of this video and anything you want to see in future videos. And remember, I believe in you, and no matter what, you can do anything that you put your mind to, and never let anyone tell you any differently. I hope you have a fantastic afternoon, and I will see you on the next one.